of these member schools, and I request the Honorable Chairman, CBSE,
Madam, start.
Teachers from both schools as well as from other schools, principals who have come from other parts of Tamil Nadu, teachers are in the offices. Before I begin, I would also like to congratulate the students of different schools who made a wonderful presentation in front of us outside. Those students, their teachers, their parents deserve a big round of applause. A great show by all the students and the teachers. I'm very sure that it must have taken a lot of effort on their part and part of everyone to put up such a nice show in a very small time. And also when I was watching those students, I saw them in their feet. I don't know how they were feeling that. The performance was not effective even because of the sharp sun rays there. While we were discussing with Mrs. Tyagarajan that we should be coming to Hosur to know, I thought that actually some days they will do an open and that's all to be really true programs and that was like a routine exhibition I do. But I must admit, in front of all of you as well as in front of the principals, that this was one of this also completely demolishes this argument which is there now, at least from the part of the country I come from, I am presenting working Delhi, that CCE is happening in a very good way in the big cities, but when it comes to the small cities, they have to learn a lot, they have to go a lot. While I feel I am completely convinced that the big cities have to learn a lot of in the teaching and learning process in the classroom, it makes me convinced that there is a lot to learn from everywhere in the country, and I think more to learn from the places where we have never reached. Dr. Prashad also going to teach to the teachers of these small cities as to how CCE should be integrated in the classroom. But I learned a lot, and I am sure that Sahodhya will help us in taking these good practices, in taking these best practices to other parts of the country also, so that everybody else is also that's worked well. Then why this change? Why are we unnecessarily changing the system which has developed now? But at the same time, a single person who is able to have a lot of capability to get the world right over the country. We also have this fact very clearly that the students who are doing very well for themselves, they are somehow not able to give it back to the families, to the parents, and to the society. We also have the fact that the majority of India, we are not talking of the persons who are at the top of the level, the majority of the persons in India, when they come out of college education, they are coming out of school, the students who are coming out of colleges, they are not able to. The biggest problem which everyone is facing now is that they are not able to work in teams. We may have excellent individuals, but when you put them in a team, they are not able to work. We are a highly competitive society, but competitive with the person who whom we know the most. If I go my, it first starts within the family, first of neighborhood. From the neighborhood is goes to the school, from the school is between the schools, then the state, and the state, so on and so forth. We keep on competing with the persons whom we know the best. And in that competition, we try to rule out the better things that we could do with cooperation. I am always saying, if there is CBSE is of no view, that now we should be compromised. How much can you compete? You should compete with your things with oneself. If you are at a certain level today, try to improve upon that level and move up. If you suppose as a school, the school has got 10% of students who are getting to do well on certain reasons, then next time I will be able to do it well. So therefore, we are trying to give this message, which I am sure that you would appreciate the good part of it, that never compete with the immediate neighbor, but compete with yourself and you take children to the IIT. And that was trying to start. I was also a very normal child who used to always compare with the person who was coming second. I always took first, and every time the child who was coming second, I used to ask this marks first, and then look at my answer to somehow. Then the parents are very nice to me that where is the actual learning? Where are the textbooks? Where are the greater rights? Similarly, talking about the activities, these activities, the parents, all that you have to see is that these activities have been integrated and I'm sure that they also recognize, which I am able to see because all the time of the education that I saw, that physical education and organization was also very very nice to feel that physical education is a basic of time. Physical education